it's Katherine. In today's video, I just want to firstly say thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I hit that a few days ago and I was super excited, and I really want to do a giveaway for that. So I'm going to make a separate video that'll be probably within the next few days. And I'm going to have all the details on how to enter and what the prizes may be, hopefully. And yeah, just thank you so much. That was my goal for so long. And now it's 500, 1,000, and more. And hopefully we can grow. And thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me, and I never really thought I would get here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these awesome butterscotch chip cookies. And they're so delicious and sweet, and they're still very, very soft in the center, and they just melt in your mouth. And I don't know, it's just such a great recipe. So I hope you guys all enjoy, and let's get into making this. Start off by adding 1 cup of softened butter. Add half a cup of white sugar and a cup of brown sugar packed. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then mix with your mixer. To this, you're going to want to add 2 room temperature eggs. You're going to want to let this mix until well combined. Now, grabbing a separate bowl, we're going to add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and we're going to mix it all together. Once all your dry ingredients are mixed together in their bowl, grab your stand mixer with your wet ingredients and slowly add the dry ingredients until there's no more and a nice cookie dough is formed. Once I was done mixing, I just took a spatula and scraped down the sides so I knew all the flour was mixed in. Now you're going to want to grab 1 11-ounce bag of butterscotch chips and add them to the cookie mixture. I did this by folding them in with my spatula. Once everything is mixed together, we're going to want to place the cookie dough in the fridge for 40 minutes or in the freezer for 20. This is my dough once it's been in the fridge for 40 minutes and it's hard, and that's what you want. So now grab your pan and a cookie scoop, and then you're just gonna scoop your cookies and place them on the parchment paper, and then we're gonna bake them at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown on the sides. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and keep your eye open for my giveaway video that is coming soon. And thank you guys so much again. It really means the world to me.